Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we have created hierarchies, that is for the calendar hierarchy, and I have deployed the queue. So before going to the Excel and browse the tabular model, I would like to create one more hierarchy. So the other hierarchy will be for the product. So my product is categorized into product subcategory, and again that product subcategory is again categorized into category. So now you can see if you see the relationship from product, I am being related to subcategory. Again from subcategory, I am being related to the category. So I want to create hierarchy on product, or I can say this way: I want to create on the English product category name, and then next English product subcategory name, and then next I can have the product or English product name. This is what I would like to create an hierarchy. So when I right click, I will not be getting any option for creating hierarchy because they all are from the three different tables. For the so if you face this kind of scenario, what we are going to do is that we are going to add all the three columns in the product, and then we can create directly on the product table itself. So for that purpose, what I'll do, I'll go back to the grid view. I'll select the product, and in the product there is a new column. In the new column, what I'll do is that I'll select it and I'll write an expression. As the tables are related, because if you see in the diagram, all the tables are related, so there is no need for you to use a lookup that you usually use in Excel, right? Directly you can write this related function. In the related function, you can directly call that. So it's a English product subcategory name. Done. Now I'll get all the subcategories names. I'll evaluate this. Yeah, you have some blank. Okay, we got blank. Is all the values are blank? Oh, sorry. No. We'll come down. Okay. Some as data, only few as like blank values. Nothing to worry. Okay, we are good. So next, I'll do the same thing with here because we have created the subcategory, and now I want to create with the category. Related, and it's a product category. Product category and English product name. I have not changed the names. If you want, you can change. You can keep your own friendly names. Done. Now I am good with the calculated column. Like one is for the product subcategory and another is for the category. So I will rename it. Right click on it, rename the column, and it is the product subcategory. I will do the same thing here too. Right click and rename. This will be the product category. Oh, I selected the same. I have to select here product category. Good. So I got everything in a single table. What I'll do, I again switch back to the model. Now you can see if I go to the product at the bottom, I can see the product category and subcategory. Now I should have the product, I should have the subcategory, and then I'll have the English name for this one. That is nothing but the product name. Done. Okay. So I'll right click on this and I'll create a hierarchy. Automatically hierarchy is created based on that category, subcategory, and the product. If I want, I can rename accordingly. Whatever name I want, I can rename it. So this one will be product hierarchy. Hierarchy. And these are the things that I'll be having in the product hierarchy. I add the product category. then I have the product subcategory, and after that I have the product. This English description is nothing but the description of a product. Okay, I want to rename it to product description. Yep, I'll rename it to product subcategory description. The same thing I'll do with this. Now, so the same thing, if you face any scenario where the columns are in three different tables, just you can pull back them into one table, and then since they are in one table, you can directly select all the columns and you can create a hierarchy there. Okay. Now I'll change this to also description. Done. And if you think that the tables are not related, then you have to use the lookup function for that and do it. What I'll be doing is that I'll deploy the tabular model. I'll pause the video. Yeah, I have deployed my project, so deployment is succeeded. And now you can see here what are the hierarchy I got. I'll go to Excel sheet, refresh, and now I'll open the hierarchies. Okay, I got the date hierarchy. I'll click on it. Oh, yeah, see date hierarchy, what should be the first one? First one should be year. Next you will have the semester. Next you will have the quarter. Next you will have month and year. So year should be on the top, right? I have to correct it again and deploy the cube. It's in the date calendar hierarchy. Come down. It's a year. Year should be on the top. So just drag and drop. That's it. Now that will be set. Year, semester, quarter, month, and key. Yep. Now I have the hierarchy done. Again, I will deploy the cube. I'll pause the video. Yeah, so I have deployed the latest version. I'll go back to the Excel and refresh it. Okay, it is not refreshed. Oh, it's not refreshed here. Calendar hierarchy semester, yes. The cube has the year calendar, yes. Click on this, refresh. Okay, I'll drag and drop. Let's see whether that's where affected or not, because I could not see the change, but I deployed the cube there. So let's see that. I'll just remove back. Internet sales function is only works with the continuous date selection. Okay. Yep, I have the data. So if you see, if you can see the hierarchy got selected in the column labels. Now, even though it is not refreshed, yeah, see, now I got the again refresh to calendar year. Now I got it. So I got the calendar year. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove some of the YTD columns here, and I'll remove this column hierarchy. And then what I do is that I'll remove all other columns. Done. And I'll draw that. I'll drag and drop the calendar hierarchy here. Good. Now if I drop it, when I expand 2010, I'll get the semester. When I expand the semester, I'll get the quarter. In the quarter, December, because 2000 has data for only December. If I take 2011, then I'll get semester 1 and 2. In that, I'll get quarter 1 and 2. Then I'll got the Jan, February, and March. If I open the Jan, then I'll get all the dates for Jan 1 to 31st. So this is a way how you are going to create a hierarchy and deploy it. And if you have any issue, just if you do something, if you mess up the order of the hierarchy, or you can directly go back there, go back to the tabular model, and then you can just drag and drop. Always the order is important. You should have the highest order at the top, and then followed by the lowest level. So we are done with the hierarchy, guys, and in the next video we'll cover some other topics. Thank you. Bye.